Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as DeFi. So, recently, I visited on Twitter that Donald Trump Jr. Tweet about DeFi. So, if it's happened, because there are many powerful big guns are backing this platform, and if they join DeFi, so it can make a big difference. So hope so that as news are coming around, so it can bring a massive hype in DeFi. So let's discuss about that, and hope so you briefly understand about that. And if you have any question and query, please don't miss to join their links. And if you jumped on Twitter, so you will see all the information, all the news, and all the big guns are going to join the DeFi. So it's quite amazing, and it's a perfect opportunity for you. So first, let me clear that it's not a financial advice. Do it with your own research, study this platform, take your time. If you think you can generate the best return by just joining a DeFi and keep your assets safe and secure, so it's a perfect opportunity for you. So we'll discuss further about DeFi. Next, you can see here your DeFi portfolio tracker control digital asset with a full suite and innovative tools, and invest confidently and spotted by our auditing expert. And they have a very strong team, no doubt about that, because I was discussing with project owner and the team who's backing up this platform. So they have well trained, they have a vast experience of 5 years, and after that they decided to launch this kind of app. So it's quite amazing. And next, if we scroll down a bit, you will see more information. Get $DeFi today, so you can jump in and get $DeFi today, and you can stake, earn, and participate in the DeFi accelerator. So it's quite amazing. And next, you can see how basically you can buy that. Just click on that, and I will show you all the information, all the details here. So you can see here the details are there, and you can buy with multiple currencies, right? Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Phantom, and you can use one of them. And if you have Ethereum, so let's see with one Ethereum how much you can generate. So here we go. So you can see here with one Ethereum how much you can gain. You can gain 2,304 DeFi tokens. So it's quite acceptable price at the moment, and you can see all the information here. Okay, next you can see here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see here for the information, TVL tracked is $457 billion, and next contract tracked is 139K, and protocol 217, in network 23, tokens 4 million, and the team members are 40 plus, and users are 3 million plus. It's quite amazing achievement. Next you can say DeFi tokens detail. With the DeFi tokens, user can participate in the ecosystem, provide their vote, any governance and proposals with submitted and by the community, and as well benefits from other exclusive feature within our platform. So it's quite perfect. You can see here next all information, all details are there. You can visit the details and you can buy that. And next you can see the DeFi investor. So DeFi backed by a range of leading venture capital firm, and you can see a permanent definite investor from around the world. So no doubt about that, they have investor all around the world. You can see here next all details are there. DeFi capital of capital, next NDC, okay, exit, and next you can see Bitmath and DEX tools, all informations are there. Next you can see they have a very strong and well experienced team that makes this platform special than the other DeFi crypto project. And next you can see here it's listing on major exchange, and that it's possible that they can list that on Hobby Ventures, OKX, and Maxi, and CoinX, and next Bitmath and Zanbi.com. And next you can see here the key option leader investor. You can see here the major investor you here made CryptoMax, Gun is next, crypto busy, and next you can see here the moon. So all are promoting it. Next, DeFi crypto antivirus testimonials. So yes, details are mentioned. You can study more information. They have a very strong partners community who is backing up this platform. So it's a sign of a successful platform that they have a very strong team. And one thing that inspired me that Donald Trump Jr. and the other big guns are getting involving in, and they want to add it in their portfolios. That's a good sign, and I'm sure we will keep an eye on Twitter because lots of news will come in the future, and it will be a positive sign for DeFi owners. So next you can see Decentralized exchange in the DeFi dashboard. You can also monitor your assets that store these centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, Coinbase, Maxi, and other plenty exchanges. And chain integrated, you can see here, it's up to you. There are all currencies are available, and valid detail, claimable, next deposit, and that's all informations are there, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see all the details about that. And one thing, if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding DeFi, and it's a perfect opportunity for you to jump in right now, and you can place your order, and you can get massive return in the future, because at the moment DeFi tokens has very reasonable price at the moment, and when it will be listed on major exchanges, it can create a huge amount of pump, and you can generate the best return. So this is what's all about. So hope so you briefly understand, and please don't miss to join their community on Telegram and Twitter, and the Twitter is a key factor for you to provide you a latest update regarding this platform. So hope so you will keep in touch on Twitter. So I will post on Twitter also and provide you proper guideline and updates regarding DeFi project. So hope so we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.